Hello, family. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest analysis and all the price prediction right here on your favorite coins, right here on the crypto market. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click, subscribe, and without further ado, let us move to what we have today. So we would be looking at YFI, and I would be telling you about what I call the September trap and how not to fall for it, right? And first, we're on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source. And so before we look at the chart, I want to show you a very awesome data right here, right? This is data on the crypto market right down there from 2013 right here to 2023. And one of the things we have noticed right there is what we call the September trap. As you can see right here in the month of September, we usually see negative price action, right? As you can see, negative 2023, negative 2022, negative 2021, negative 2020, negative 2019, negative 2018. So basically, we usually, right, in the crypto market see a very huge negative price action right there in September. But one of the things people do not understand, because a lot of people just leave the market, sell out of their tokens, they just capitulate, right, is that we usually recover in October. And this is what we call the September trap. So a lot of people sell out right here in October, September, not knowing that we are about to see a very huge pump right here in October, right? So October has a history of always being a good month right there, even for the crypto market, right? So that is what we call the September trap, and please do not fall for it, right? So basically in September we could just see borrowing price action like we saw right here, basically just some sort of consolidation right here. We probably could even see a fake out right down here, even to the $5,148 range, right, before we see some sort of huge push to the upside right there, even for YFI, right? So please do not get faked out, right? As we have seen this, September has been a historical month of negative price action. Rather, this is a time to dollar cost average and even buy more of your coins, as we are about to see a huge push in the month of October, right? So that is the September trap, right? We basically could just see some sort of sideways price action, probably even a push to this 5,100. This is the point you want to get even more YFI before we see that huge push in October. So basically, that's the analysis for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.